Students, let us see this problem. Find sine 17 pi by 3. If this type of problem comes, better you convert this one into degree measure. If you do in radian measure, you may get confusion. So I converted this one. 17 pi by 3 into 180 by pi. So after cancellation, we will get it is 1020. Now your steps are easy. Step number 2, now we can take sine 1020 is nothing but sine of 11 into 90 plus 30. Then this will become cos 30 because I already told you in my previous videos, if odd multiples of sine comes, then it will be corresponding cofunction. So it will be cos 30. Then next thing is we need to find out the sine of that sine 1020. What is the sign? That means positive or negative. And we know that, and it will be in fourth quadrant. How we will complete calculate here 11 times or 11 quadrants plus this 30, that is 12th quadrant. 12th quadrant, after dividing with the 4, we will get it will be completely 3 rounds. So it is exactly fall in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, you know that the value of sine is minus. So we can say that 1020 sine 1020 is equal to cos 30 minus cos 30. So it is equal to minus root 3 by 2. And the final answer is minus root 3 by 2.